My name is Job Ojas and I'm from Tableu. So here is the my first ever Tableu presentation on Powerbi. Okay. So basically, first of all, I will just give the short scenario about what the data we have actually. Okay. So this is the Prime Video. You already watch OTT platforms, right? There's a Prime Video, is there, Hotstar is there, right? So after that, if you go to the first screen of this dashboard, okay. So there is a three visualization which I have created. First is Disney plus Hotstar, and second one is Prime Video, and third one is Apple TV plus. Okay. So this visualization, I have inserted the action button. Okay. So if you click on this visualization, it's directly move from one dashboard to another dashboard. Okay. I'm just giving one example. Okay. You just if you click this Prime Video, so it will directly open my dashboard. Okay. So here is the data of this Prime Video. Okay. So which shows the title, director, country, date, release year, then rating is there. Okay. And after that there is also type. If you go to the type option, so there is a movie and TV shows. Okay. So and this rating, there is all type of rating available in OTT platform, right? 30 plus is there. Then UA is also available is there. Okay, and after that there is a listed part, which means who is ready to watch this movies or TV shows, means which is available for kids also and adults also. Okay, so this is a short scenario about this data. Okay, so here is the dashboard of our Amazon Prime movies and TV shows shown by performance. Okay. So in this dashboard there is an almost 9 plus visualization, including one filter and 4 cards. Okay, so the first visualization which shows the total shows by category. Okay, so the category which defines drama, comedy, drama sequence, comedy, drama, right? So this is the category. Okay, and we are visualizing this data by showing total shows by categories. Means if you post this, if you move your cursor on drama, so it shows the proper that yes, this is listed in drama, and the total count of shows IDs is 986. Okay, and if you and there is also all type of category available in there. Okay, so if you watch these TV shows, horror, right? So if you go to the move your cursor in horror, so it's listed in horror, and count of total shows IDs is 256. Okay, so the next visualization is total shows by release year. All means this shows is properly released in means for an example, if you watch the season 1, okay, so season 1 is releasing in 2020, and after season 2 is releasing in 2022. Okay, so the releasing year difference is the means this shows this visualization. Okay, after that if you move your cursor on this visualization, it shows that yes, in 2020 movies means total count of movies is 736 and TV shows is 226. Okay, so all type of information related to the year, so it's available in this visualization. If you move your cursor smoothly, so you can also watch this before 20 it's zeros, it's 19 in 1991 its movies is 42, count of movies is 42, and the count of TV shows is 3. Okay, so if you go to this means there is a 4 card available in this dashboard, right? So this cards properly shows the count of category, count of rating, total director involved in this Prime Videos OTTs. Okay, and after that count of total time. Okay. So after that, if you goes to this visualization, which is called as donut. Okay. So basically, what is donut? Donut which represent your data. If you have data in smallest part. Okay. So if you want to visualize it in very easiest way, which is understandable you and me also. So it is used by donut chart. Okay. So this donut chart represent my donut chart is represent in movies and TV shows. Okay. So TV shows it takes 19.18% of this donut chart, which count as 1854. Okay. So if you goes to this movies, so it's 7,814, which takes almost 80.82% of this donut chart. Okay. There is one option. There is a filter also. Okay. So this filter, basically, what is filter? Okay. So filter, it is a mathematical or logical condition which is applies on the data. Okay, to get some essential information in the form of rows and columns. Okay. So if you move your cursor on movie, so it shows the this movie types, means all the data is arranging in the form of movies. Okay. If you click this on TV shows, so all the data is representing in the form of TV shows. After that, just clear this, okay. And there is a second, the last second visualization shows the shows IDs by rating. I already told you that all movies and TV shows are rated by the government. Okay, so if you watch any movie, if you goes to any watch these movies or any horror movies, so there is a particular rating about means which type of people is ready to watch these movies or TV shows. Okay, so 13 plus, if you move your cursor to the 13 plus, so 13 plus count of shows IDs is 2117. Okay, and if you, it's the data of movies and TV shows both, because we have cleared the filter in this dashboard. And after that, if you move your cursor to all, means you can all categories of all types of rating can watch these movies and TV shows, like there is a small type of horror or small type of kids movies, right? So rating is all, and count of shows IDs is 1268. So the last visualization which shows the country. Okay, so means what if you move your cursor is to the India, so it shows the count of shows IDs by 229, means total count of shows IDs in the India is 229. Okay, and if you move your cursor to the US, right, rating is all, and count of shows IDs is 1268. So the last visualization which shows the country. Okay, so means what if you move your cursor is to the India, so it shows the count of shows IDs by 229, means total count of shows IDs in the India is 229. Okay, and if you move your cursor to the US, right, yes, US, United States, so it shows that count of shows IDs is 253. Okay, so here is the visualization. Basically, what I am giving the information is that this visualization can improve your OTT experience. Okay, because look, if you are watching any TVs and movie shows, so it is really it's important that what type of movies we are watching, what type of categories we are watching. It's ready for my kids also or adults also. Okay, so you can watch this all type of platform, all type of movies and TV shows by rating. Okay, and by categories is there. Which type of categories if you want to watch this? Which type of movies released in this year? Okay, in this visualization I have already told you that. Okay, so this is the visualization. So thank you everyone for patiently listening my dashboard presentation.